Okay, so if you're trying to do the project, and so imagine this is a poster board, and you want to actually cut your poster into 4 blocks. Okay, so we're going to pretend like this is 1 block of that poster board. So you're going to take that 1 block, and then you're going to fold it so that you take one edge and you fold it over to the other edge like this with a triangle. So once you do that, that's gonna leave an edge down here. And you take your scissors and then you're gonna cut off the excess from that. After you do that, you wanna open this up and then you wanna fold it across like so into like a square. So I think that's what, well, hot dog, hamburger, one of those ways. And then you want to do the same thing the other way as well. Once you've done that, you're going to make one more cut. You'll cut straight through this area, up the line to the middle, but don't go beyond the middle. Then you take this piece and you place it on top of that piece. And that's going to create the room. Okay, so that's your one room. So then you want to take glue or tape, or I'm going to use a stapler. And then you secure that. And then you're gonna do that 3 more times because you need 4 rooms. So I've already done 2 rooms here. So once you get your get that room, you're gonna attach the room to the other rooms, like so. Again, I'm using a stapler because that's what I have handy. And so that's 3 of my 4 rooms. And so I'll do it again to make the 4th room. I'm using cardstock paper. If you don't have a poster, you can also use cardstock paper to do this, and that will work as well. But it needs to be something that is kind of thick, so it's not like just regular typing paper or regular construction paper. That'll be too flimsy because you do have to decorate these. So again, you fold it like a triangle. You cut off the excess, and that creates this shape. You're gonna open this up, fold here, and then turn it and do the same thing again. Then you're gonna cut up to the middle, take this piece and lay it on top of that piece. And so that creates that room. So when I secure the room together, I'm going to add it to my other 3 rooms. So when I add this, I'll have 4 rooms, and each one of these rooms is for a different macromolecule. So I can put carbs in one, lipids in another one, proteins in one, and nucleic acids in one. So then I'll have a total of 4 rooms, and those have to be decorated, and then the requirements are also listed on the back of your note packet, so you can look on the back of the note packet and see what you need to do there. And so that's 4-room project. Now some students actually take another piece, and I'll show you this, and it has actually been very helpful as well. Take another piece and then put it on it, so that you're actually securing it to a base, and it makes it easier to carry and less likely to fall apart. All right, biology out.